The Starling isn't just a tiny home, it's a smart cottage that balances charm, efficiency, and thoughtful design in a well-proportioned 620 square foot space. Whether you're seeking a stylish downsized home, a serene lakeside retreat, a cozy ranch guest house, or a private haven for aging loved ones, the Starling adapts beautifully to any lifestyle dot with dimensions of 16 feet by 48. This Model D for OEP8 offers a spacious feel, heightened by 8 feet side walls and vaulted ceilings. A charming 8-foot front porch with a sturdy rebar railing and a brace for a swing welcomes you in perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Welcome to the Starling Plus for the thoughtfully extended version of the original Starling model, with an expanded footprint of 16 by 52 and a total of 682 square feet. This smart cottage continues to redefine what compact living can be, blending comfort, energy efficiency, and style in a slightly roomier frame. It's perfect for those who want to downsize without sacrifice, create a peaceful lakeside getaway, support multi-generational living, or enjoy flexible work from anywhere space. This one-bedroom, one-bathroom home maintains the beloved smart cottage aesthetic but adds just enough square footage to make everything feel more open and versatile. The 8-foot covered porch with rebar railing and swing brace welcomes you into a space designed for both relaxation and functionality. vaulted 8 sidewalls, and a metal roof enhance durability and elevate the overall design.